Segment, we're going to cover accessibility of removing the valve cover. Prior to removing the valve cover, we have to remove any components or items that are connected to it or through it or attached to it so that we can remove these items and have accessibility to unbolt and remove the valve cover from the engine. On this particular model, as I described in our earlier segments, is an older model Honda. The valve cover is mounted on the top of the engine. Here's the black item on the top, and it's held down with four nuts. And before we can remove the nuts to take the valve cover off, we first need to remove the plug wires, hoses, and other items connected to the valve cover prior to removing it. We'll start with the hoses. To remove this hose is a PCV hose, and it just clips into a rubber grommet. So simply by wiggling a little bit and pulling it straight out, it will pop out the grommet, and we just pull it around and loop it through so it holds it back out of our way. The other hose is a crankcase breather hose connected to the intake, and it's held in place with clamps. So I'll need my pliers. Release the spring clamps. Just kind of wiggle them, break them free. And you just want to, they're a spring clamp that you squeeze together to release tension on them. And in doing so, just move that clamp up the hose. A little tip, if the clamps are in the back and hard to get accessibility to them, you can close them and twist them around to where it pulls them so you have easy access to maneuver them around. And slowly just slide it up the hose so it's off the fitting, out of the way. Wiggle the hose a little bit and slide it off. And then you just pull that around and stick it behind another item or wire just so it holds something to hold it back out of the way. Please watch our next segment on removing the hoses.